Hi, good morning. Today I am going to take the class of trigonometry. Sorry for the I don't have a presentation uh, because of my economic background. So now itself I am going to teaching uh, paper. Okay, don't mistake me. Okay, the trigonometry. Today we are going to see about the trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry mainly the trigonometry is used to find the missing values. For that purpose only we use trigonometry. Okay, for the definition of trigonometry, trigonometry is one of the important branches in the history of mathematics that deals with the study of relationship between the sides and angles of right angle triangle. Already I told you the trigonometry is mainly used to determine the unknown values in right angle triangle. For example, we have the angle but need to calculate the height of the particular area, means we use the trigonometry. For example, we have the we know the ground distance from the particular spot to the, for example, uh, we we stand here, uh, we know the distance of something this area, but we don't know the height, some distance 20 meter. We know the value of this area, that is ground distance, but we don't know the height. By using the angle theta, okay, by using the angle theta, we we need we we used to calculate the but accurate height of this area. Okay, we are, it is used to calculate the ground distance, but it is difficult to calculate the height. By this purpose only we use the trigonometry. The angle, some angle means we use the formula of something tan theta. Okay, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. We know the value, we know the value of angle and we know the value of adjacent. Okay, by using this we can calculate the h is equal to h divided by adjacent. Okay, for this purpose only the trigonometry is very much useful for us. Okay, already I told you, as per the explanation we saw that for this purpose only mainly we use trigonometry. Okay, in the trigonometry process there are some functions. Okay, basically they are known as trigonometric functions. We denote it as trigonometric functions. Okay, that name is wait, I will show you in the paper. Okay, wait. The main terms we used in trigonometry is opposite. Opposite means that is opposite. In English term it is known as opposite. Okay, adjacent. Adjacent means next side. It is very nearer to the angle. That means opposite means that is opposite to the theta. Okay, that is known as opposite. Adjacent means that is very nearer to the theta. Next, hypotenuse means, hypotenuse other name is longest side. Okay, that is known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means longest side. In this triangle, the longest side is this is known as hypotenuse. The angle is here theta. The nearby, that is adjacent, means 20 meter. The opposite means that is h. Okay, these are all the main terms we used: opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. It is actually key points to the trigonometry. Okay, next, actually we saw that the main terms we used is opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. This is very much key point for the trigonometry. Okay, opposite means the value or some unknown value that is opposite to the that angle. Okay, that is known as opposite. Adjacent means the value or unknown value that is nearer to the angle, that is known as adjacent side. Third one is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means the longest side, that is known as hypotenuse. Okay, very simple. nothing to worry. The trigonometry is very basic and very much mark scoring paper. Okay, don't worry. Okay, trigonometry is very basic and very easy paper. Okay, next see the main angles of trigonometry. I will show in paper. Okay, thank you. The main angles of trigonometry are 0 degree. 0 degree means nothing angle, that is parallel. Okay, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are all these angles have the basic constant values. Okay, 0 degree have the constant value, 30 degree have constant value, 45 degree have constant value, 60 degree have constant value, 90 degree. Don't forget. Okay, the main terms are opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse side, and the main angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, don't forget. Okay, already we saw the main angles of trigonometry are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, don't forget. Okay, 0 degree means parallel, 90 degree means that is perpendicular to the ground. Okay, perpendicular to the parallel. Okay, that means what? 90 degree. We already know that 90 degree it means vertical. Okay, that is 90 degree. 0 degree means that is parallel or horizontal. 90 degree means that is perpendicular or vertical. Okay, nothing. This is simple. The main angles only we need to memorize. Okay, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, and also main terms, that is opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. Okay, next we need to see the basic fundamental properties of trigonometry. Okay, the main trigonometric functions, that is known as the main trigonometric functions are what are all? I show in paper. Okay, thank you. The main trigonometric functions are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay, this is known as sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Okay, don't forget. Okay, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Don't forget. Don't forget. This is very important. Okay, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. And also I will show you some trick. Okay, I will show you some trick to remember the other values. Totally 6 values. Okay, 6 functions: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Okay, 6, that is 4, 5, 6. Okay, totally 6 functions. Main is sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, because other 3 values is depend upon the sin theta, cos theta and tan theta only. Okay, that is 1 by sin is equal to cosecant theta. I will show you the trick. That is 1 by sin. Yes comes in this cosecant means third value. Okay, so we need to memorize sin, that value s comes in the third letter. Okay, that is cosecant theta. In 1 by cos, that is secant theta. In same, c comes in the third value. Okay, 1 by cos is equal to secant theta. It is easy to memorize. Okay, that one c comes in the same third letter. 1 by sin, that s comes in the third letter. Okay, and next 1 by tan, that 1 by tan, t comes in the third letter. Okay, cot theta. That is easy to memorize and remember. Okay, that is 1 by sin, that s letter comes in the third letter, the cosecant. That 1 by cos, c comes in the third letter, c. Okay, that 1 by tan, t comes in the third letter. It is easy to remember. Okay, that is already we see 1 by sin, that is reciprocal of sin is cosecant theta. I already told you that s comes in the cosecant as third letter. Okay, next 1 by cos, that c comes in the secant as third letter, c. Okay, next 1 by tan, that t comes in the cot theta as third letter. This is easy to remember. Okay, next we see the sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, the main functions in the right angle triangle. I show you the accurate places in sin theta and the formulas in right angle triangle. I show you in the paper. Thank you. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. The basic things we need to just memorize. Okay, sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Anything that is opposite or adjacent or hypotenuse, anything that is related to the theta. Okay, The triangle we draw means the angle is situated here. This angle, the value opposite means that is opposite to the angle. The value adjacent means that is nearer to the angle. The hypotenuse means longest side, that is known as hypotenuse. Don't forget, okay? In sin theta, the formula for sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Don't forget, okay? In right angle triangle, the theta is here. The opposite value is opposite to the angle. The longest side is hypotenuse. This is simple. That is known as sin theta. We know, okay, sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Already we saw in right angle triangle, any value that is opposite or adjacent or hypotenuse, that is very related to that angle, okay, theta. The theta is equal to opposite means the value or unknown value that is opposite to that angle, okay, theta. Very simple. Okay, next we saw the cos theta and tan theta. Okay, we taken as consider cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, we saw in drawing adjacent means nearer to the theta, that is known as adjacent. Already we know hypotenuse longest side, that is hypotenuse. Okay, next tan theta. Tan theta is equal to combination of sin theta and cos theta numerator. Okay, sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to combination of numerator of sin theta and cos theta. Simple. Okay, opposite by adjacent. So just you need to remember sin theta and cos theta is enough. Okay, we know that tan theta is equal to numerator of both sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to numerator of sin theta and cos theta, opposite by adjacent. Simple. Okay, yeah, just we need to remember of sin theta and cos theta is enough. Okay, uh, remaining of tan theta is the combination of numerator of sin theta and cos theta, that is sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to numerator of sin theta and cos theta. Numerator of sin theta is what? Opposite. Numerator of cos theta is what? Adjacent. Okay, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Simple. Okay, nothing to worry. Trigonometry is very easy paper. Okay, next we see the what is the value of particular angles, that is already we saw what are that 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay, particular angles of the particular value. Okay, sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90, what is the value? Cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, cos 90, what value? Okay, next tan 0, tan 30, tan 45, tan 60, tan 90, what value? Next we already know that there is total 6 numbers. Okay, cos, sin, tan. Next what? Cosecant, secant, then cot. Okay, third letter we already know that. Okay, thank you. I show in the paper. Okay, this is nothing. Okay, we already know 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay, we just know the angle angle values. Okay, 0, 30, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Just we need to remember only sine value. Okay, nothing remaining one is very simple. I show you the trick. Okay, what are that? Sin theta means sin 0 value is 0. First we need to remember this sin theta value only. Remaining one is very simple and I will show you the trick. Okay, this is what is, so what you know, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, that is ascending value 0 to 1. The value is sin theta 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay, what you see, that is ascending value from 0 to 1. Okay, we need to remember this value please. Okay, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, that is ascending value. Next cos theta we see, that is cos theta is descending. I already told you what I told you. Just we need to memorize sin theta values only, that is enough. Okay, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 3 root 3 by 2, 1. Okay, next cos theta is nothing, that is vice versa of sin theta. Okay, that is descending. Sin 90 value, sin 0, sorry, cos 0 value, that that is 1, that root 3 by 2, next 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, just 0 is 0, that is vice versa of sin theta. This is ascending, this is descending. Next tan theta, already I told you what tan theta is equal to numerator of sin divided by numerator of cos. I already told you, okay. What numerator of 0 divided by 1, what 0 divided by 1, 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0, that is the tan 0 value. Next 1 divided by root 3, what 1 by root 3. Next 1 divided by 1, what 1. Next root 3 by 1, what root 3. Next 1 divided by 0, what infinity. That is simple, okay. Just we need to remember only sin theta values, that is enough, okay. Next cosecant theta, I already show you what cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, because that's s is comes in the third letter, 1 by sin theta. Cosecant theta, then 1 by sin theta means 1 by sin 0, okay. 1 by sin 0 is equal to what, 1 by sin 0 is equal to what, sin 0 is already we know 0, 1 by 0 is infinity. Next 1 by sin 30, 1 by sin 30, what is the value of 1 by sin 30, 1 by 1 by 2, that is these 2 comes over top, okay. Comes over, come top means the value is cosecant 30 is 2. Next 1 by sin 45 is what, we already know value of sin 45, 1 by root 2 is equal to what is the value, this root 2 is comes over to the numerator, the value is root 2, that's only this root 2, okay. Next 1 by sin 60, value what, 1 by root 3 by 2 is equal to 2 divided by root 3, this comes under numerator means what, 2 by root 3, that's the value, okay. Last 1 by sin 90, sin 90 we already know 1 is equal 1 divided by 1, that's the answer 1, okay. Remaining itself the same concept, okay. 1 by secant theta means third letter, that is what, 1 by cos theta, so 1 by cos 0 is equal to 1 by cos 0, what value, 1 by 1, so the value is 1, see here, okay. Simple, okay. Trigonometry is very much simple, okay guys. Thank you. These are all the basic concept of trigonometry. I hope you will find the very easy, I think. Thank you guys, thank you. I told you the basic concept of trigonometry and the values. I think you understand the concept, and I showed the tricks, okay. Please consider as the faculty for your teaching position, okay. Thank you, thank you.